So welcome back guys, welcome to another video tutorial for our MPO back office. For today we are going to discuss how to put in your bank information para sa ating payout. So kailangan natin tong i-set up bago natin mag-request ng encashment. Okay? So to begin with, we have to log in again sa ating account. Okay, so click your username and then put in your password, then click login button. Okay, so this time again punta ulit tayo ng ating profile. Okay, so makikita natin sa bandang ibaba sa my bank account and then payout information. So dito natin gagawin yung pag-e-enter ng ating bank information. Okay, so meron lang ditong paalaala. So sabi dito, make sure to enter the correct details so you cannot edit this later. So ibig sabihin, once ka lang mag-enter ng inyong bank information and then hindi mo na siya ma-edit. Okay? So make sure na tama ang inyong ilalagay. Okay, so we have the bank name. Okay, so click natin tong drop down. Then makikita natin dito lahat ng or almost lahat ng major banks, okay, sa Pilipinas. So we have BDO, BPI Family Bank, BPI Express, PNB, RCBC, RCBC Savings, PS Bank, RCBC, and so on. Okay? So almost major banks ng Pilipinas nandito sa ating options. So hindi natin magiging problem yung wala tayong bank account or hindi natin makukuha yung ating payout. Okay? So kung wala kang bank account, okay, so pwede natin gamitin ang ating mga listahan ng mga remittance centers. So we have Western Union, we have LBC Pera Padala, Cebuana Luwilier, M Luwilier. We have also electronic currencies which is connected or nakalink sa ating mga credit cards. Nandyan ang Perfect Money o yung PM, Ego Pay, OK Pay, and the Solid Trust Pay. So ito yung mga e-currencies. So ginagamit ito ng mga members na walang bank account sa Pilipinas, okay, o yung mga nasa abroad. Okay, so pwede natin itong gamitin. Okay, so let's say select tayo ng isa, say for example BDO. Okay, so you have to supply your account name. So kailangan kung ano yung nakalagay sa account number na pangalan, yun din ang ilalagay mo dito sa account name. Otherwise, hindi i-honor ng bangko yan. Okay? So kaya nga sabi dito, make sure na i-enter natin ang ating correct details. So hindi ka pwedeng maglagay ng alias or ng iyong initial. Okay? So make sure na full name yan. And then sa account number naman, of course, yung correct account number ng inyong bank. Okay? So hindi na ako maglalagay ng sample. So just make sure na tama ang inyong ilalagay with correspond sa inyong bank details. Okay? And then click save button. Okay? So ganun lang kadali. Uli ang pag-change or ang ating pag-e-entrada ng ating bank account sa ating back office. Okay? So yun po muna ulit ngayon, and I'm hoping na meron kayong natutunan sa ating video tutorials. Okay? So hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye!